జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ ఆండాల్ దివ్య తిరువడిగళే శరణం. In the holy month of Dhanurmasam, today 24th day. Yesterday, Goddess Goda Devi invited the Lord Sri Krishna Paramatma and given a beautiful Simhasanam to sit. Like Asanam offered him and got a wonderful darshanam with a heart full of reverence. Today she offered the Mangalaharati to the entire Sriman Narayana Parivaram. What is the significance of Mangalaharati? Mangalaharati is considered an extraordinary seva bhagyam to Bhagavan, performed as part of daily worship, Divya Aradhana of the Lord, using camphor or ghee deepam, and chant the divine qualities of the Lord. Mangalashasanam should offer from his crown to his feet, Kiritadi Pada Pariyantam, which is known as Mangalashasanam or simply Mangalam. In the Sri Vaishnava tradition, it is referred to as Mangalashasanam. Mangalam means auspiciousness, receiving blessings or taking blessings from elders. Mangala plus Ashasanam. The complete meaning is that we wholeheartedly bless others, which is referred to as Mangalashasanam. Today, Mother Andal sings Mangalam and offering Mangalashasanam to Paramatma. Anrivulagamalandai Adipoti. You crushed the pride of the king Bali Chakravarti, measured all the lokas and sanctified the world wearing the form of Trivikrama. Divine Mangalashasanam to you. You measured all these lokas with your divine feet. Your feet should be prosperous and very well always. Chandrangut Tennilangai Shettai Tiral Poti. Hey Ramachandramurti, auspicious Mangalashasanam to your divine history. Killed Ravana and killed Ravanasura's pride and won Lanka Nagaram. Tennilangai Komanai Chetta Manattu Kiniyanai. Offer Mangalam to Sri Ramachandra and Ramachandra Murti Divya Charitra. Pondrachagadamudaitai Pugal Poti. Mangalam offered to Lord Sri Krishna for vanquishing the demon Shakatasura, who came in the form of a cart. We offer Mangalam for Lord Rama's victory over Ravana and his divine glory. When Lord Krishna subdued the pride of Indra and lifted the Govardhana mountain to protect the cows and all the Gopalas, Mangalam is offered for his divine act. Mangalam is offered for the Sudarshana Chakra of the Lord, which completely destroys the pride and arrogance of enemies. In many ways, the divine qualities of the Lord are celebrated, and today Mother Andal offers Mangalam to the Lord, obtaining His grace, making it a very special day. என்றென்றும் சேவகமே ஏத்திப்பறை கொள்வான், இன்றியாம் வந்தோம் இரங்கேலோரெம்பாவாய். ஸ்ரீயः காந்தாய கல்யாண நிதயே நிதயேர்த்தினாம், ஸ்ரீவேங்கட நிவாசாய ஸ்ரீனிவாசாய மங்களம். ஆண்டாள் திவ்ய திருவடிகளே சரணம்.